Okay, my dear students, before class I explained the basics and exercise 1 problems was completed. Now today I have discussed about the examples and some more problems, okay, based on the definite integral. Okay, my dear students, what the question is going on? Find the area region bounded by the curve. Find the area enclosed by the curve. What is that one? Find the area enclosed by the curve. Just curve is given. X square plus y square is equal to a square, my dear students. Curve. Actually, what is the area of the circle? Pi r square or pi a square here. Radius is a means pi a square. What is the center? 0, 0. Now we can find the area. How to show that the area is equal to pi a square by using the applications of integrals. Okay, my dear students. Now what is the given curve? Very well, very simple. We will do. Here given curve is x square plus y square is equal to a square. Here center, very well, clearly center is 0, 0. Radius, r means radius is equal to a. Draw the diagram, my dear students. Draw the diagrams. Okay. Here, this is center, this is called radius. This distance is clearly given a, means a, 0. Now x square plus y square is equal to x power even, y power even means it is symmetric both the coordinate axes, compulsory. Now for suppose this is x values 0 to a. Now first we can find this area. Now we will find this area. After that multiplied with 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts on the coordinate axis. That's why 0 to a. Here with respect to x axis means compulsory the function 100% in terms of x only. Here for suppose what about y? Here y is equal to root over a square minus x square, 100%. Yeah. Now limits, what are the limits means 0, a. Now 4 into, we will take the 4 into. Now the area region bounded by x is equal to bounded by the circle, bounded by the curve, x is equal to 0 and ordinates x is equal to 0 and x is equal to a, and x axis. X is equal to 0, x is equal and the curve x is equal to 0, x is equal and the x axis is, that is area is equal. What are the limits? 0 to a, y dx, y in terms of x, that equal 0 to a. What about y? That equal root over a square minus x square dx. Now we will take here 4. Here write the circle means bounded by circles. Okay, here circle CARCLE. Circle. Okay, circle means 1, 2, 3, 4. We will find the one area. The area is multiplied by 4. Total area that equal 4 into. Okay, my dear students. What is the formula of this one? Integral root over a square minus x square formula. 1 by 2 into x into root over a square minus x square plus a square into sine inverse of x by a. Limits 100% 0 to a, my dear students. I hope that you understood or not? Yeah. Now upper limit is a. Write down 4. This is 100% 2. Now we will do in this way. This is equal to 2 into upper limit is a. Upper limit is a means a into a square minus a square. 0 into something 0 plus a square into here sine inverse of a by a means 1. Sine inverse of 1 means pi by 2. This is upper limit is 4 minus lower limit. Lower limit is x value is 0, 0 into something 0 into here 0, a square into sine inverse of 0 means 0, totally 0. What happened this one? 2 into pi a square by 2. 2 to cancel, that is equal pi a square. Now we know that area of the circle 100% pi a square. We will get the pi a square. This type of questions asking in the examination point of view. Okay, my dear students. By using definite applications of the integrals, you have to prove that. Okay, my dear students. Next, we are going to the next problem. Okay, my dear students, the next question is going on x square by a square plus y square by b square equal 1. This is ellipse. I think you know idea about, already explained the total exercise. Already explained the total exercise, that is okay. Each and every problem I explained in the exercise, and before class I explained the what is means basics. Now this is the ellipse. Okay. Now here what is the given curve means 100%. Given curve is equal x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. What about this means? This is 100%. What happened? This is 100% ellipse. Here coordinate axis. First you know idea about this ellipse. This is called major axis, A dash. This is A greater than B type. I will take, okay. This is 100% center. This is called B dash. Okay, my dear students. This is A dash. That is the major axis. The length of the major axis, total length is 2a. C is the midpoint. Means 100% this distance is a. That's why this point is a comma 0. Now this is the curve. How many means x power even, y power even means 100% is symmetric both the axes. Now first we will find this area only. After that you multiplied with 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 into 4 equal areas. Okay, my dear students. Now we are going to, here center means 0 comma 0, 100%. Here 0 comma 0 of the center, 0 to a. 0 to a, my dear students. I hope that you understood or not. Now here with respect, remember we will find with respect to y-axis also you get the same answer, no problem at all. With respect to y-axis means the whenever you will take the y-axis 100% the function in terms of y only. Here with respect to x-axis must ensure the area region bounded by the curve x is equal to 0, x is equal to a under the x-axis. Whenever you will take the x-axis the function in terms of x, y is equal to f of x. Whenever you will suppose here 0 to this length is b. This is called minor axis. This length is b means this is b comma 0. First we will take the limit 0 comma b with respect to the y-axis 100% the function in terms of y means we find the x value. We get the both answers are the same. Okay, you will see both answers are same or we will do with respect to on x-axis or with respect to on y-axis, no problem at all. Okay, my dear students. Now what happened? What is going on here? Observe that what is the given curve? X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Okay, my dear students. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. From this one you will find the value y square by b square is equal to 1 minus x square by a square. Okay. Now here y square is equal to b square into LCM is a square minus x square by a square is there, that is a square minus x square. Now y value is equal to root over means b by a into root over a square minus x square. Now the area enclosed by the ellipse is equal to 4 into, write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 into 0 to a. Okay, for suppose you will take the 0 to a means with respect to x-axis we will take 100% the function in terms of x means here. For suppose with respect to y-axis there same x is equal to, here what happened? Here b square minus y square. Okay, b square minus y square. Say yes or no? Here x square by a square equal to y square minus b square, a by b. Here a by b. For suppose x, how to find the x? Okay. Here x is equal to a by b root over a square b square minus y square 100%. Okay. Now area is equal. What happened to the area? Now a required area. The area enclosed by the ellipse is equal area 0 to limits. What is the limit? 0 to a y dx. Y means b by a into root over a square minus x square dx with respect to. Okay, my dear friends. Now we are going to area is equal to, now here constant b by a. Now write down the formula. What the formula is going on? Root over a square minus x square. How many times? Number of times we are applying this formula. Okay, b root over a square minus x square formula 1 by 2 into x into root over a square minus x square plus a square into sin inverse of x by a, my dear students. Now limits 0 to a. Limits 0 to a. Okay. Now here 100% we will write. Okay, forget that one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why I write the 4 into. Why I am writing 4? Total area. Okay, here also 4 into. Okay, my dear students, 2 ones are 2 twos are, that is 2b by a into upper limit is a 0. This is 100% 0. 0 into this is 0. 0 into something 0 plus a square into sine inverse of a by a means 1, that is pi by 2 minus lower limit 100% 0. Okay, my dear students, 2b by a into a square pi by 2. 1a cancel, 2 cancel. What is going on, my dear student? Pi ab, that is equal, a is equal pi ab square units. Also in the examination point of view, find in the first coordinate, find the area in the first coordinate means you cannot take the 4. We cannot take the 4. What is the going on answer? Pi ab by 4. One part area. This is the 4 part area is pi ab. Only find the area in the first curve. That's why I am telling you. Read the question carefully. Find the area enclosed by the curve in the first coordinate, for suppose. Means you cannot take the 4. Okay, direct answer is pi ab by 4. Okay, from this one, what is the area of the circle? For suppose in this one, a is equal to b, substitute x square by a square plus y square by a square equal to 1, x square plus y square equal to a square. What is the area? Pi a square. In this one, b is equal to a, substitute pi a into a, pi a square. That is the area of the circle, my dear students. Okay. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next problem. Find the area of the region in the first quadrant enclosed by x-axis, the line y is equal to x and the circle x square plus y square equal 32. Already I explained before class in the exercise problem. Observe that here y is equal to x is there, x square. First we will find in the first coordinate only. Whenever the two curves is given, whatever may be line and is given, first we will find the point of intersection. After that we will do. Okay. What are the given curves? Listen carefully. Given curves is equal to y is equal to x. This is equation number 1. Second one is x square plus y square is equal to 32, my dear students. Okay, this is equation number 2. Now substitute y equal to x here instead of y x. X square plus x square is equal to 32. 2x square equal to 32. X square equal to 16. Actually x is equal to plus or minus 4, but in the first coordinate only we will take positive. Y x positive means y 100% positive. Y is equal to 4. Therefore, let P be the point of intersection, means for suppose P. Let P be the point of intersection of 1 and 2. Okay, my dear students. Therefore, P is 4, 4. Now, first we are going to the diagram, my dear students. Here, this is the circle. What about the circle? X square plus y square equal to r square. R square means root. What is the going on? 4 root 2. 4 root 2 whole square. This circle is x square plus y square equal to r square means 32. Root 32 whole square. 16 twos are 4 root 2 whole square. Okay. This is the center. This is 100% radius. What the radius is going on? 4 root 2 comma 0. Now the distance from this one to this one. Okay, my dear students. Have any doubt? No doubt. Now this is y is equal to x. The y is equal to x always passes through the origin. This is the line. Y is equal to x. This is the point of intersection where those are intersect. This is 4, 4. What is the meaning of that one? Okay, I will draw the diagram very neatly. Okay, very big one. Otherwise, okay, this is. Okay, clearly this is radius. What is the radius? Is 4 root 3. Okay, this is the point is A. This is called 4 root 3 comma 0. Now the line passing through here in this way. This point is 100% 4 comma 4. Now what is the meaning of that one? Now you will find this area. Line under the curve under the x-axis. How? This one and this one. But the point of intersection 4 comma 4 means what is the meaning of that one? Totally one curve is not. Here one curve is there, here one curve is there. Here upper curve minus lower curve not possible. Why? Because this is side is there. Okay. That's why, first of all, we draw here perpendicular. What happened this one? Is 100% the y coordinate. Y coordinate is how much is there? This is 4. This length 100% 4. 4 comma 4 means 100%. This is 4. This is 4. Now this is the area. This is right angle triangle or not? Yes. First observe that. Here 100% 4. This length is 4. 0 to 4 we will take. First of all, curve x-axis ordinates. Curve. This is from here to here. This is curve y is equal to x. Ordinate 0 to 4 means we will take this curve. Now after this one, 4 to 4 root 3. 4 to 4 root 3, what happened? From 4 to 4 root 3, here 4 to 4 root 3 here. What is the curve is going on? This one is the curve. Y is equal to here, circle. This is curve is called circle. 4 to 4 root 3. Now this part plus this part. Sum of the two parts, this part and this part. Okay, my dear students. Now area is equal. How to write the area? Area is equal to 0 to 4. 0 to 4, first curve. First curve means y. Y means how much? X. Dx. Now second area plus here to here. 4 to 4 root 3. What is the second curve? Circle. From the circle y is equal to root of 32 minus x square. 32 means 4 root 2 whole square minus x square dx. Okay, my dear students. I hope that you understood or not? Yes. Now write the formula. Here integral of x square by 2. X square by 2. By 2 write down outside 0 to 4 are the limits. Plus here formula. What the formula is going on? Root over a square minus x square formula. 1 by 2 into x into root over a square minus x square. A square minus x square means 100% 32 minus x square plus a square. Plus a square means 32. Sin inverse of x by a. X by 4 root 2. What are the limits? 4 to 4 root 3. Sorry, 4 to 4 root 2, not root 3. Why root 3? Sorry, that is root 2 only. Okay, my dear students. This total length is from here to here 4 root 2. 32 only area, not 4 root 3. 4 root 2 only, sorry. Okay, 4 root 2. Here 4 to 4 root 2. Now substitute, my dear students. What happened? Here 16. Upper limit is 4. 4 square means 16. 16 by 2 means this is 8 plus. Okay. Upper limit you will write upper limit, that is 4 root 2. 4 root 2 whole square means 100%, this is 0. Okay. 1 by 2 into 0 plus. Here you will write the 4 root 2 means 4 root 2 by 4 root 2. 1 sin inverse of 1. 32 into sin inverse of 1 means pi by 2. 32 into pi by 2. Okay, my dear students. Minus. You will take the lower limit is 4. Already 1 by 2 in front of is there. Lower limit is 4. 4 into 4 square means 16. 32 minus 16 means 16. 4 root 16 means 4. 4 into 4, this is 16. I hope that you understood or not. Lower limit is 4. 32 minus 16 means root 16 means 4. Already 4 is there. Here observe that plus 32 into sin inverse of 4 by 4 root 2. 4 cancel, 1 by root 2. Sin inverse of 1 by root 2 means pi by 4. I hope that you understood or not. Yeah, 8. 8 that is equal to, my dear students, 8 plus 1 by 2. This is 2 ones are 2 16s are. Again 1 by 2 into 16 pi. 1 by 2 into 16 pi. Here 1 by 2 must and should. 1 by 2 into minus 16 means minus 8 minus 1 by 2, here 4 ones are, what happened? 4 ones are 4 8s are 8 pi. 1 by 2 into 8 pi minus 1 by 2 into 8 pi, my dear students. Here plus 8 minus 8 cancel. This is 8 pi minus 4 pi. That is equal to, answer is 4 pi square units. Therefore, this is area. Area is equal to 4 pi square units. My dear students, it is very important problem, my dear students. Very important my problem. Every time I think, I hope that always it will come. Okay. Before previous exams also, this problem number of times it came. Okay, my dear students, this is very important problem. Generally you find the area of the triangle formula in coordinate geometry. Half into area is equal to half into modulus of half into x x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y3 minus y. I have the formula actually, but using integration 100%. That's why what I am telling. First, what are the vertices is given. First of all, lines is given. First of all, sides is given. First, we will find the vertices, point of intersections. Solving 1 and 2, A, 2 and 3, B, 3 and 1 C. First compulsory we will find the, after that these points lies in which quadrant. Here 1 comma 0, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 1, all are in the first coordinate. This is 1 comma 0, compulsory lies on x axis. This is in the first coordinate, this is in the first coordinate. First draw the diagram carefully, okay. In the all points in the first coordinate only, okay. Now observe that. What are the given points? Now indication. For suppose here 0, here for suppose clearly take 1, for suppose 2, here 3. Okay, my dear students. In this also 1, here 2, for suppose here 3, my dear students. Okay, my dear students. First is 1 comma 0. For suppose this is the point A. This is A. This point is A. This is for suppose 1 comma 0. Okay, no problem. A. B 2 comma 2. Here 2 is there, here 2 is there. That is 100%. This is B. Okay, B is side you will write 2 comma 2. Next 3 comma 1. X value 3, Y value 1. This value. Now joining all these points. This is the triangle. Now we will find the area of this one. How to find the area? Okay, this is 100% 3. I indicate the dotted lines. Here 100%. Now this is 2. Now, first what I am finding? For suppose here 2 means this is the perpendicular, means this is for suppose A, B, C. This is D. This is E. For suppose. First, this is the curve actually. These are the ordinates. Here 1, here 2. 1 to 2, what is the line? AB line. We will take the line AB. First we can find the equation of AB 100%. What happened? From that one we find the Y. After that A to B means, observe that, A to B, A to D. A to D means this one also occupied. This one from here with respect to x means this is also coming, this is also coming. I hope that understood. Next 2 to 3. 2 to 3 means 2 to 3. 2 to 3. Which line? What I am taking? 2 to 3. 2 to 3 means this line and these are there. Means that is the BC line. 2 to 3 means from here to here. This part is also there. But I want only this part only. Means compulsory we remove this part and this part. Total part here 1, 2, 3. We will take this area. What is the line? AC. Okay. AC is the curve. Now 1, 2, 3. You also find, subtract this one. This one, this one, this area, total. This from this one to this one, we will find total area. After that, subtracting this one, we will get the required area. Now, first equation of AB, equation of BC and equation of AC. What is the formula for equation of AB? Now, equation of how to find the equation solution. First, we can find the equation of AB. Equation of AB bar. What the formula is going on? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x. Slope. How to find the slope? Difference of the y coordinates. What is the slope of this line? M is equal to AB line. What is the slope? Difference of the y coordinates by the difference of the x coordinates. 2 minus 0 by 2 minus 1. 2 minus 0 means 2 by 2 minus 1 means 1. That equal, this slope is m is equal to. What about this BC slope? Difference of the y coordinates. 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 minus 1 by 3 minus 2. That is 1. That is 100% m is equal to minus 1. Now AC, difference of the y coordinates 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0 means 1 by 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 means 2. 1 by 2. Here this slope is 1 by 2. Okay, my dear students. Now write down the formula. Equation of AB formula means this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus y. Passing through this point. Passing through this point, passing through A and having the slope 2. Already slope you will find, that's why no need of this one. Or otherwise 2-point formula, y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. You write this is also equation of the two form, x1 y1 into x2 y2. 2 points are there. What the formula is going on? Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. This is also you can apply easily. Okay, my dear students. That formula also you have applied. Otherwise, no problem at all. Okay, my dear students. Now, what is going on? Equation of AB is formula. Now, write the formula, no problem. Equation of AB means directly substitute y minus y. This is x1 y1, x1 y1, y minus y means g m into directly formula y minus y. How slope find? Y slope is there. Otherwise, you will use also this formula. 2 points is there. By using 2 points, we will find the equation of the line. No problem at all. But already we find the slope. Okay, don't confuse. Don't find the slope by using that one. Okay, don't find the slope. What is the formula for that one? Whenever the 2 points is given, you find the equation of the line. Y minus y1. This is x1 y1. This is x2 y2. Okay, my dear students. Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1. Y2 minus y1. Y2 minus y1. 2 minus 0 means 2. X minus x1. X minus 1 by x minus 1 by x2 minus x1 means 1. Here y is equal. You need the y. Y is equal to 2 into x minus 1. Okay, my dear students. Y is equal to 2 into x minus 1. In this way, you will find. This is equation of AB is over. Next, similarly, the equation of BC. Equation of BC. Same. Y minus BC. Y. This is x1 y1. This is x2 y2. Okay. Y minus y1. Y1 means 2 by y minus y1 by y2 minus y1. 1 minus 2. That is minus 1 is equal to x minus x1. X minus x1 means 2 by 3 minus 2 means 1. Therefore, y minus 2 is equal minus x plus 2. Okay, y is equal to minus x minus 4. Here cross multiplication, my dear students. Y is equal to minus x minus 2 that side, sorry, minus 2 that side, that is plus 4. Minus 2 that side, that is plus 4, that is equal to 4 minus x, my dear students. Next, we are going to, what the problem is going on? Equation of, what is the equation of BC? Y is equal to 4 minus x, my dear students. Now, equation of AC. Very, very important question, my dear students. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Y minus y1, y1 means 0 by y2 minus y1, 1 minus 0 means 1 is equal x minus x1, x minus 1 by 3 minus 1 means 2. Therefore, y is equal to x minus 1 by 2, my dear students. Okay, my dear students. In this way, we will do the problems. Okay. Next, what is going on here? Observe that clearly. Now, area. You want the area means already explained. Now, how to find the area? Area is equal to. Now, I am writing here area. Okay. Already I know the equation of AB. Now, area is equal. First, I will find out the here 1, 2, 2 area. This is equation of AB. 2, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. Observe that equation of BC. 1, 2, 3 equation of subtraction. This part is subtraction. 1 to 2 means total with x axis, 2 to 3 means from here to x axis. After that, this portion is neglected, means subtracted, means you will get this one. Now, area is equal to integral of from 1 to 2. 1 to 2 means equation of AB. In that one, you will write the y value only. The whenever we will take this x axis means the y in terms of x. What is the y value? 2 into x minus 1, 2 outside, x minus 1 dx. It is over. Plus again 2 to 3, 100%. 2 to 3. 2 to 3, what is the curve? BC is the curve. What is the area of the BC? Y is equal to 4 minus x plus 2 to 3, 4 minus x dx. Minus, why I am writing minus means this portion is, remove this portion here, 1, 2, 3. What is the equation of AC? X minus 1 by 2. Okay, my dear students, now integrating on that one. I hope that you understood or not. Yes? Yeah. What happened that one? Clearly observe that, my dear students. What happened this one? Area is equal to 2 into integral of total, this is x. What is the formula of integral of x? X square by 2. Here x minus 1 whole square by 2. Okay, my dear students. Limits 1 to 2. Limits 1 to 2. next plus here 4 minus x is there, same formula. Integral of 4 minus x means 4 minus x whole square by 2 into minus 1 limits 2 to 3 minus here 1 by 2 is there. Again integral of x minus 1 means x minus 1 whole square by 2 limits 1 to 3. Okay my dear friends, now simple. Now here these two cancel. This is limits 1 to 2, not whole square. Okay, upper limit you write 2 minus 1 whole square. 2 minus 1 whole square how much? 1 square means 1 minus lower limit is 1 minus 1 is 0. It is over. Plus here plus into minus 1 by 2 is there in print. Now apply the upper limit. 4 minus 3 means 1 square means 1 minus this value is 2. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 means 2 square means 4. Completed. Minus here 2 2s are 4. Minus 1 by 4 into upper limit is 3. 3 minus 1 means 2 square means 4 minus lower limit is 0. Okay my dear students. Now what is going on? 1 minus 4 means minus 3. Minus 1 by 2 into minus 3 means plus 3 by 2. Here this is 4 cancel means minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel means that is equal 3 by 2 square units. In this way we will complete the